This is lesson 7.2, and while it is titled in your notes, your turn number 1, this is technically your turn number 2 because it's following example 2. So follow along to see how you did on these your turn questions. So for A, we have f divided by -2 is greater than 4.4. So to solve it, we are going to multiply by -2 on both sides. And because we're multiplying by a -2, that negative number on both sides, our inequality sign is going to flip, and rather than being greater than, it will change to be less than. And 4.4 times -2 is -8.8. So now on my graph here, -8.8, this would be -8.9, and this would be -9. My circle here is going to be open, and my line is going to go to the left. For B, we have D divided by -6 is less than -3. So I'm going to multiply by -6 on both sides. And because I'm multiplying by a negative on both sides, it is no longer less than, but rather greater than. And -3 times -6 is +18. So D is greater than 18. Open circle at 18 to the direction of numbers that are greater than 18, which is to the right. And C, we have 11 is greater than or equal to x divided by 5. So I'm going to multiply by 5 on both sides. So 55 is greater than or equal to x. And I can rewrite that by moving my variable to the left side and flipping my sign because I'm rewriting the inequality. So 55 is greater than or equal to x, which is the same as saying x is less than or equal to 55. And I'm going to have a closed circle at 55 because my solution could also be 55. And it is going to go to the left for all values that are less than 55. And then our last one here, B divided by 12 is greater than or equal to 4. So I'm going to multiply by 12 on both sides. So I have B is greater than or equal to 48. This is also going to be a closed circle at 48. 48 is one of those possible solutions. And to all values greater than 48 would be going to the right.